Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find help settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on these three lines here and now click settings, and now here you will find it, help settings. You can manage it, you can ask a question, or you can go to this Telegram FAQ or privacy policy. And that's it for today. That's how to find help settings on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.